If you want to know what you are, listen this poem about reality and existence of self. The title of this poem is Nestling. Let us start. I am happy with myself. I am nestling similar to soul. My emptiness solaced me without whisper. My feet as roots and toes rootlet. My trunk as bow and limbs as twigs. Head as flower and seven senses fruits. Taste my fruits, whether sour or sweet, still callow and raw or bitter and acrid. My roost is for nightingale or for owl, loving to listen chirping or hooting at night. My foliage for shade or seduce wasps. I inhale toxic vapor or vapors of elixir. I exhale fumes or smell of jasmine. My presence in lawn is pleasant or nasty, adding aroma or more the duty. After steeping my thoughts is remedy or malady, howling with winds or lava flowing volcano. If fruitless, plucked up for fruits or uproot for black forest Germany. Thanks for watching.